What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Got a cool Monday morning video for you today. It's an overcast, warm Monday, but we're excited. It's gonna be a good day for videos. 2021 Chevy Silverado 3500. This is an LTZ truck. It's gloss white. Customer has a Boston phone number, but a Georgia tag. So I don't remember exactly where he said he's from, but I wanted to say that I appreciate him driving out here to get the truck done today. Very excited about what we're gonna do to it. Here's our truck. We're gonna be doing a 9-inch McGaughy'S lift kit with some 26x14 KG1 forged polished wheels and some 37 1350 26 Fury MT tires with some wheel lights. Pretty excited about this. Can't wait to put the video together. Guys, stay tuned and let me know what you think about the truck. Here's our truck. Like I said, 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. This is a gas engine. Factory 20-inch polished wheels. We are going to be getting rid of those. I don't really mind that wheel. I kind of like it. If it was on a big mud tire, I think that would look pretty cool. Truck's really clean though on the inside. Does have the gray interior inside it. Not bad. Truck has a sunroof in it too. Crew cab, short bed, chrome accents, chrome grille. This forged set of 26 is going to look amazing on this truck. Can't wait to get it started. Thanks for watching, guys. So if I'm timing this out right, you guys would have just seen us build this beautiful Silverado 2500, and I couldn't be more happy with it. You know I love white on chrome or polished or whatever you want to call it on the wheels. I love the way this truck turned out. It's a beautiful truck. The McGaughy's lift on it looks amazing. The 26x14 KG1s look excellent, and the 37-inch Fury tires always look great with the KG1 forged wheels. You know, I love the 37 13 50 26 a little bit more on the 26x14 wheel, just because I like that little bit of a stretch look to it, and that's what you get with this one. So I'm not going to waste any more of your time. I wanted to say I appreciate it to the customer, and I'm going to show you the truck that we're working with, and let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks, guys. So here's our beautiful Chevy Silverado 2500 LTZ. We have done what we call the Southern Tire makeover on this thing. It's gotten all the old classics. See the driving school in the background? They're always here to hang out with me. We did the 9-inch McGaughy's lift kit. This is a beautiful lift kit. Pretty much in any situation you put it in. I love the way it looks. The chrome accents and the gloss black go so well together. The angles of the axles are amazing on this kit. Every piece of bracketry on this whole entire kit is gloss black. It looks amazing. On this truck, we also did the upper control arms right here. You know, you usually see me do, there's an optional cap that you can buy for this that has the McGaughy's M on top of it. It's not something you have to have. It's just recommended for looks. But see, there's your Moog ball joint up there with your grease fitting. That cover just usually covers up right here, but it works without it. I didn't have them on my Tahoe for a long time. I just had the control arms for a while, but I ended up getting the caps and I really like them. The front strut tensioners on this kit look amazing. They match the rest of the lift kit. They have the chrome accents in there with the gloss black. This truck did not get the traction bars. It may be an add-on he'll come do later. I don't know for sure. It's not something you have to have. It doesn't change the ride any. It's mainly just for looks, and it makes you know, puts bars in the rear that match the front bars up here. So really cool. However, he did not cheap out at all on the wheels. He bought 26x14 KG1 Vortex. This is an amazing wheel, forged 26x14s. I love the way these look. The tire we went with is a 37 13 50 26 Fury MT. It's kind of the best tire. Like I said a minute ago, it's kind of the best tire for the wheel. Looks good, has a little bit of that stretch to it, which I like a lot. You know, there's not so much protection for the wheel on this size tire, so they do make the 1450 that's got a little bit more side protection there for the wheel, but either way it works out. Overall, I think the truck looks amazing. The size of it looks good. It's very, very tall, very, very wide. Looks like a different truck than what we started with in the beginning. The wheel lights that you see here are the Infinite Off-Road quad row inside outside wheel lights they have here. They're color changing. I have them set to white because that's the way I like to put mine on my Tahoe. I just like the white color setting. You know, the red and the blue is not really great for the police. Don't really like that if you run it on the road, but every other color is pretty much okay. So let me know what you think about the truck. If you have any questions about this build or you want to get a price, just shoot me a call. My number here is 678-994-9180. My name is Jake. I'm at Southern Tire in McDonough, Georgia. I'm going to put a price quote for this job following this clip, so if you're curious on what this job costs, stay tuned. And I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks.